Hello guys, this is Mayank Kumar and now we had came with a new video. So today now we are going to have a discussion over the election of Bihar. So finally the result came and again we have Nitish Kumar as the face of new CM of Bihar. So now we will have the discussion over the Nitish Kumar only, and later we will discuss on other things. So we're gonna discuss now that when Nitish Kumar came out as the face of CM, and we will discussion his whole journey till now. So first he came as CM in 2000, and but the term was very less, and he was chief minister from 3rd March to 10th March only of 2000, because he had not a great majority. But second time in 2005 he came as he came with full support, and then again in 2010 he was selected for the chief minister, and in 2005 in February 2015 also he took the oath for the CM, and then in 2017, and now again we have seen him in 2020 as the CM. So what basically happened that Nitish Kumar had become CM, but it is not confirmed that if he will be able to complete his tenure completely, because we have seen that there are in NDA as it gained 125 seats at all totally. So there are some small parties which has means they have won some seats, and they might change the party also, like we have VIP, and means they are in NDA, and along with that we have the party of OIC. So if they all three will just join the Mahagathbandhan, as Mahagathbandhan has 110 seats and OIC party 5 seats, VIP and Hum both deserves 4 seats. So totally we have 13 seats. So it might happen that means after 1 year, 1.5 year, or any time we will have another face as CM. But whatever currently we have the CM as Nitish Kumar, and now I'm gonna show you what the Hindu represented the oath, means when Nitish Kumar took the oath for the CM. So let's have a look over here. So you can see what they are basically trying to make us understand, that Nitish Kumar has become CM, but it is not confirmed that what is going to happen in the near future. So guys, it will be very interesting to see if our Chief Minister Nitish Kumar will be able to complete his tenure. So overall we have means the public had a good choice and all, and they means this time we have the opposition very good also, because they deserved 110 seats, and Mahagathbandhan includes RJD, Congress, and communist parties and other small parties, and NDA includes BJP, JDU, and along with that VIP and other small parties. So it will be very means it is not till now very much confirmed. So we might have twist in the coming future. So guys, one more thing I would like to tell you, that as we have the party LJP, means LJP has deserved only one seat. They won a single seat only. But one thing, the role of Chirag Paswan, means not Chirag Paswan, the whole party came out, as they attracted some public of JDU towards it, due to which JDU didn't won at the seats which were means where we had the probability of JDU that they might win. So actually it was a very great role played by him, and of course LJP is with BJP, but it is not supporting, and it don't want to see the face of our CM Nitish Kumar as the CM. So it was like a trick which Chirag Paswan played very well and attracted the public of JDU towards it. So guys, be updated regarding it all and continuously watch the channel, and we will meet in next video. Bye guys.